Hello everyone, this is Dr. Kamal from Shulni University, Solan, Himachal Pradesh. Welcome to the presentation on development of a low budget, highly effective online lecture delivery system. So in these testing times of COVID-19 pandemic, so all the education has moved online and all the educational organizations, be it higher educational organizations or schools or colleges, are opting for online live lecture delivery systems like Zoom and else. In Shulin University, we started with a learning management system called eUnip way back in 2013. From that year onwards, continuously we have been improving on it. So the good thing about eUnip is that it is a low budget initiative based upon a freeware called Moodle that is available worldwide, and it has been developed indigenously. Now, moving on, we have over 1200 courses that are going live on YouTube. And what's more is that we have integrated a live lecture delivery platform into our eUnip. So let me take you through this journey because this is something which is scalable and every organization can develop this. So I am just logging into my eUnip account, and same accounts are there with every faculty and every student of our university. So every faculty and every student will see the courses that he is taking in the present semester. So just like this, so these are the courses that I am taking. So let me take you through. So for example, we pick up marketing research 2. As you can see, so there is a room wherein we can present a live lecture. So if I click on this, it takes us here. We click on microphone. Now, so it has taken us to the, and you can see the presentation that we had uploaded in the background, right? We share our webcam. So now there are n number of things that I can do from this. We will find all the users over here, right? We can take the attendance also from this. There is a shared notes forum, right, wherein we can share the notes, and we can move the slides from here. We can even conduct some polls, we can conduct quizzes from this, right? We can even share our screen from this. So this is a very low budget solution for our live lecture things, and it is scalable across all the universities, all the schools and all the educational institutions. Thank you very much.